Working for success will make you a master, but working for satisfaction will make you a legend. Good morning, students. Mathematics is all around us. Maths expresses itself everywhere, in almost every facet of life, in nature, all around us, and in the technologies in our hands. The mathematics is everywhere. It explores the many wonders and uses of mathematics in our lives. In our daily life, we use mathematics in various fields. In this session portrays the role of mathematics in all aspects of our daily life. We know that mathematics is applied directly or indirectly in our daily life. Let us see some of their applications. In this session, we are going to see the uses of integers in our daily life. What are integers? All natural numbers, zero and negative of counting numbers are called integers. Thus, all negative numbers and zero and positive numbers are called integers. The integers includes all negative whole numbers, zero and all positive whole numbers. So integers means all positive whole numbers and all negative whole numbers and zero. Types of integers: positive integers and negative integers. First, positive integer. The positive numbers are called positive integers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the positive integers. Second, negative integers. The negative numbers are called negative integers. For example, -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. are called negative integers. Let us learn how to represent integers on a number line. We observe that all the numbers on a number line are marked at equal distance. 0 is marked at the center. All the positive integers lie on the right side of 0. All the negative integers lie on the left side of 0. Opposite numbers. What is mean by opposite number? The opposite of a number is the number that is the same distance from 0 on a number line but in the other direction. Okay, for example, -6 is 6 units away from 0 and +6 is 6 units away from 0. So -6 also 6 units away from 0 and +6 also 6 units away from 0. So what is the opposite of -6? Yes, +6 is the opposite of -6. In the same way, what is the opposite of +6? Yes, -6 is the opposite of +6. Finding opposites. Find the opposite of the number. First one, 1. The opposite of 1 is -1. Both are 1 unit from 0. Next one, -7. The opposite of -7 is +7 because both are 7 units from 0. Next one, 0. The opposite of 0 is 0 itself. The following words are used to describe negative integers, that is temperature, below 0, below sea level, owing money, having debit, basement car park levels, loss, negative charged electricity, decrease, down, west, withdrawal. These words are used to describe negative integers. And positive integers are temperature, above 0, above sea level, earning money, having money in the bank, flows above ground level, wind, positive charged electricity, increase, up, east, deposit. These words are used to describe positive integers. Words that describe positive and negative integers. Positive integers: gain, above, deposit, profit, bonus, increase. These words are used to describe positive integers. Next, negative integers: loss, below, lost, withdrawal, drop, decrease. These words are used to describe negative integers in our daily life. Let us see some real life examples of integers. Integers. Uses of integers in daily life. Every day in our daily life, we use the integers for calculations. The figures are taken in positive and negative terms and it becomes possible to do the calculations. This can be understood by the following examples. Where do we see integers in our daily life? Money, temperature, elevations, height or depth of places in the world, that is elevations, years, time, recipes or cooking. Integers are everywhere. First real life example is sea level. Sea level is a good example because wherever you go, you are either above or below sea level. An example would be if you were traveling over a mountain, you might be plus 1374 meter above sea level. Or if you are in a submarine, you could be minus 57 meter below the sea level. So height above the sea level is considered positive and height below the sea level is considered as negative. Okay. This is another picture representation of positive and negative numbers are used to measure the sea level. Here, positive numbers are used to measure above sea level. Negative numbers are used to measure under the sea level. Here the sea level is 0. Above the sea level is considered as positive integers and below the sea level considered as negative integers. Second real life example is temperature. Temperature is another way integers are shown in real life because the temperature is always either over 0 or below 0. So temperature below 0 degree is taken to be negative and temperature above 0 degree is taken to be positive. Third real life example is speed limit. When you are driving, you can go over or under the speed limit. If you go over, it is a negative because if you speed, you have to pay a fine, which means you will have a less money, which is a negative. But if you don't speed, you will not lose money and that would be a positive manner. Okay. Next real life example of integer is blood pressure. Your blood pressure might be too high is considered as positive, but it can also be too low is considered as negative integer. Next real life example of integer is body weight. So we can be overweight means it is considered as positive and we might have an eating disorder and be underweight is considered as negative integer. Next real life example is flying integers. When a plane takes off, its ascending above ground level is considered positive and when it comes in to land it is descending, it is considered as negative. So ascending is considered positive and descending is considered as negative integer. Next, most important example is positive and negative integers are used when keeping track of money. Positive numbers are used to earn the money or deposit in the bank account. So, earn or deposit is taken as positive integer. Negative numbers are used to describe withdrawal the amount or spending the amount. So, spend or withdrawal is taken as negative integer. Here are some other examples. Sarah went up 4 steps. So, went up 4 steps. Up means it is taken as positive. So, plus 4. The temperature is 12 below 0. So, below is considered as negative integer. So, the answer is minus 12. Next example, the elevation of the mountain is 52,000 feet. So, elevation is taken as positive. So, answer is plus 52,000. All these examples represent situations opposite to each other which are needed almost everywhere in our day-to-day life. Real life integers play an important role in calculating our daily activities. They have many uses in real life as well as math class. Integers help in computing the efficiency in positive or negative numbers in almost every field. Thank you all.